Okay guys, with this video I want to show you how to add page to show online members. Let's call it online members page. So we have a system. First let's create a page holder pages. Content pages. Okay, so here we have two groups. Default group system pages and legal pages. So let's create one more group to keep our different user list pages. Online members or female profiles or male profiles, to keep pages of such kind. Let's call it just member lists. Keyword is what we're gonna have as a second segment in our URL. Let's call it members. And just empty page with all default parameters. Submit. Okay. Now let's create subpage for this page. New page. Let's call it members online. Keyword online. So let's check submit. Let's check how it looks. Okay, you can see it's members online. It's empty. Now we need to add a call similar to this one, like new users, for example. Similar to this one, we need to show information about members online here. To achieve this, we have to use custom. We have to use custom template file to show, so we can put users helper call in it. Okay, custom. Let's call this page members page. Just some universal template name, and try to submit. Just try, it won't help. Okay, we get error. So we got this error. System tries to find this file. First it tries to find here, and only if it's not existing here, it tries to find it here in system, in application folder. What you should do, we go to this file, application, views, pages, and take this file, which is default template file for all pages without custom template. So we copy this file, copy, not move, just copy, and go to applications, go to root folder, templates, and take our template, which is one date, and put it here, and name it as a members page. Now we have such template, which system will use. Okay, let's find this place. This is the place of template where system outputs all content of the page. To prove it's true, let's put something save and check. Let's save this page, submit. Okay, page successfully saved. That is because we have custom template in the place where it needed to be. And now let's check something. We can see something. Okay. Here we have empty. Okay. And there's only line now. Just to show you. Okay. Save. Submit. What we see now. Members online now. This is content of the page in CP. And this is content that we put directly in file. Okay, now we go to DatingScript forum and see tutorial. Variations of users on the home page. And we can see Vlad shared all possible variations of users that we can show. I recommend you to read this post thoroughly so you can use it. Okay. If you would like to display only man or woman, you use this code. What about online members? Same country, random use, show online users. Okay, let's copy this text. And let's put it here. We cannot put it here because what we put inside page through CP is not rendered as PHP. This is why we have to use custom template. So we go back to our members page, template, find our something word and put call from Vlad. Now I will not be able to see any users because it's my test system and we don't have users online. To see some members, I will replace this online username timer setting. It's usually like 15 minutes. I will change it with 100,000 minutes. Let's see. We go back to our page and hit F5. Okay, we see some members. Some very nice members. So this is members online page. Let me put it back to online. Okay, this is default users call. What else we can do here? Let's call this page members online page. Online page. Okay. Let's also create page like new women. Female page. Okay. Let's open it. Find Vlad's recommendation. And replace our call. Here we can see this is ID of gender female value. Let's put limit to 100, for example, to show more women. Same, let's do to members online page. Also show 100, you can put 50 or whatever you want. Okay, so now we are ready to show female, and don't forget we changed members online page template to members online page. Members. Okay. View page. Yeah, okay. It should work, but I put it back to online members, and we don't have online members. Now let's create a page for women. Subpages. New page. Just women. Women. You can call it whatever you want. It's up to you. And here we use female page that we already created here. Female page. Okay, let's save it and let's try it. Beautiful. As you can see, it's members women page, and you can show female members here. So what you have to do is create template page and then put a call into it, and then call that template from your custom page. That's it.